Before the guests wake up, Maya's already moving. Another day at sea, same routine, different ocean. Quick breakfast.
Hey Maya,
Quick
the
laugh.
new menu's a hit.
Then it's back to work because the ship never really stops.
Oops, schedule. 1 sec. All right, guest services, gotta run.
See you out there. Priority is safety drills on decks 5 and 7.
Got it. And housekeeping on 6? Yes. Coordinate with engineering for access.
I'll update the logs.
Got it.
Every shift starts here. Assignments, updates, reminders. You listen close. Missing details isn't an option. The transition happens in seconds. Crew deck to guest deck, different world, same smile. Towels, toiletries, sanitizer, everything has its place. And every room gets the same care. 15 minutes to make it perfect. Fresh sheets, straight lines, guests never see the rush behind it.
Excuse me, could we get some extra towels?
Of course. Here you are. Thank you so much. You're very welcome. Enjoy your stay. Guest services to Lost and Found. I have a small stuffed toy found outside cabin 7423. Copy that, Maya. We'll send someone to collect it. System logged in, all set. How can I help you today? My key card isn't working. Okay, let me check that for you. All set. Try this one. Thank you. Please form 2 lines here.
Okay.
Fill from the front, please. Thank you for your cooperation.
5 minutes. Water. A message from home. These little breaks, they're what keep you going. It's hot, it's loud, and the work never stops. But you push through, same as everyone else.
Always keep towels on the top shelf, easy to grab.
Okay, I see.
Good. Now group the bottles together here. Perfect. You're getting the hang of it.
Thank you.
The atrium's packed, but you keep moving. Check the schedule. Smile at a guest. Don't break stride. Safety drills aren't optional. Everyone has a role, and Maya knows hers by heart.
Guest services, Maya speaking.
Cabin 305, we need more towels.
Right away. Here you are. Enjoy your stay. This one here was handled.
Good. And the follow-up?
Completed. All set.
Excellent.
That's a wrap.
Silence at last. The sea is dark, the feet are sore, but the job is done. Good night, Maya.